Hi, my name is Rose. Welcome to the 21st century where everything has gone digital. What step have you taken to catch up with this digital world where everything is now online? Have you acquired any digital skill? If you do not know what skill to acquire, let the beautiful Joy tell you more about the skills you should acquire. Joy, please tell us more about this.
Technology is advancing at a rapid pace where digital skills are increasingly becoming in high demand. If you want to equip yourself with digital skills, you should consider digital skills like cybersecurity, data science, data analysis, UI/UX design, website design and development, mobile app development, and many more digital skills out there to help accelerate your career. What are you waiting for? Why not visit our websites to learn more and register for digital skills in high demand that will help you build your career and also help grow your businesses. We are in a digital economy. Do not be left behind.
Come and equip yourself with a digital skill at Bizmaro Technologies where you get the practical hands-on training.